And after days and days of chemical spraying, for the last 2 days they've been spraying us like bugs, spraying these chemicals into the atmosphere. This is what we get. It's been raining like this, just steadily drizzling, raining crap for 4 hours since I've been awake so far. And it's everywhere. This is what the chemtrails bring to you. These people are crazy.